This tutorial is about preparing an international annual report for statistical surveys. It guides you as an MPPO of the EU candidate country or official plant health officer at headquarters to summarize the collected data in an annual reporting table to prepare a report for this year. This tutorial helps you to find guidelines and instructions about survey reporting, demonstrates the template for annual statistically based survey reporting, and gives information about the timing of sending the reports. If you are new to pest reporting, where to find guidance instructions. EFSA has launched RePest, risk-based pest survey tool, to help to plan and execute a statistically sound and risk-based survey on plant pests. Reports of those surveys can be downloaded in RePest. For EU members, to ensure a uniform presentation of the survey results, Regulation 2020-1231 describes in detail the format and instructions for the annual reports on the results of the surveys in Annex 1. In Part 2.2 of Annex 1, a template for the statistically based surveys is published. For the report of statistically based surveys, the general information of the report and the summary is the same as for the report of a non-statistically based survey. This is the template Excel file for statistically based surveys of Regulation 2020-1231. The statistical parameters used in ReBest Plus or RePest must be included in the report, such as epidemiologic units, sampling effectiveness, method sensitivity, confidence level, prevalence. A first report that can be downloaded in RePest is a Word document for every inspection unit separately. As you see here, for a detection survey for Xylella in an agriculture area, in this report all parameters are indicated together with the summary table. A second report that can be downloaded in RePest is an Excel document for all inspection units, according to the EU template. EU member states can use that document for reporting into Eurofit. In correspondence with Article 22 of Regulation 2016-2031, the project proposes that PPO shall send by 30th April of each year the annual report of surveys carried out in the preceding calendar year to the SEFTA parties and the SEFTA Secretariat using electronic mails to all officially designated official contact points. Plant health greetings and see you on our next video on plant pest survey planning.